use it 10 times longer than a one-sided scratcher.
Look at how small they are.
This guy does not want his picture taken. This is when I truly wonder about my parenting.
It's time to see Bird Bird.
I've told him about 90 million times, or 11 billion, that you shouldn't stay in a hot car in Texas. They're not toddlers. They can think, but they're staying in the hot car in Texas. I'm wondering at what point they will get out of the hot car. Or will they just pass out?
Are you guys getting a betta fish?
Did they get a beta? Looks like they did.
Upper water strength.
Can you imagine being
A muscle
like,
bird.
all balance like this, right? Except without hands.
Yeah, I've done it before.
The balance is so difficult. You just
bird. Rawr.
Oh, he's so cute.
Detaching from an egg.